find yourself in a spacious, enclosed front porch that leads into the main living area. The first floor features an open floor plan, a large living room that flows into the dining area, and a kitchen. The living room is cozy and comfortable with windows that let plenty of natural light in. Enjoy entertaining in the spacious dining area, and the kitchen is fully equipped with appliances and plenty of countertop and cabinet space for storage. There's also a convenient half bathroom on this level. Upstairs you'll find the bedrooms and a full bathroom. The large primary bedroom makes for the perfect retreat after a long day. The bathroom features a soaking tub and shower, and there are 2 additional bedrooms on this level, each with their own closet and even more natural light. The den office space can also be used as a 4th bedroom. The basement is unfinished and waterproofed, providing ample storage space. Finally, the detached 2-car garage provides plenty of space for parking, storage, or even a workshop. Overall, this 2-story home boasts so much character that you'll have to see it for yourself. Call Jerry Hurst for a showing today.